welcome back to our channel. And guess what? It's almost spring. Yay! And today we're gonna be showing you guys one of our favorite drink combinations. It's kind of like spring in a glass.
Yes, spring in a glass. That's cute. All right, so.
Okay, and you need 5 things. A glass, sugar, ice, Sprite, and your favorite fruit juice.
Okay.
The first thing you're gonna do is grab your glass, dip it in your fruit juice, and then dip it in your sugar.
Okay.
So first you're gonna dip it in your fruit juice, and then dip it in your sugar. Just throw that around there. Wow.
Okay, got
That's
some
nice.
sugar around your rim. Okay, Alex,
Right
gonna
there.
do yours?
Dip it. And
Just put it straight down.
just put it straight down,
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Mm-hmm. Very cool. We got a pink
And we got a blue.
and we got a blue. All right.
Next, you're gonna add a couple of cubes of ice. Oopsies.
That's a lot of ice.
Now you're gonna add your Sprite. Nope, that was the right way. Yep, just add your Sprite. Just half the cup.
Nice work.
And last, you're going to top it off with your favorite fruit juice. I can't wait. I can't wait.
You can put a little bit more in Bella's. All right. Now, for those of you at home, if you want to make it fun, you can add these super cool, I'm going to show you, these ice cubes that light up when they hit the drink. All right, let's see. So we use these on New Year's one day. So hopefully they're still gonna work, okay? We cleaned them and we stored them, and now we're gonna see if they're still working.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
So cool. Very cool. Okay, cheers. How does it taste? Sugary lips and all. Is it good? Spring in a glass, huh?
Spring in a glass. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Well, make sure you comment your fruit juice that you added in your drink. Bye. Bye. Hope you
Happy
enjoyed.
springtime.
Happy